Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of one beautiful 71 Chevelle. It's got a 427 under the hood, black interior, bucket seats, beautiful restoration on the car. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're going to pop the hood, take a look at that 427. We're going to take a look at the interior. We're going to look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on this Chevelle investment. So come on up and let's take a nice close look. So check this beauty out, man. The paint is phenomenal. Those stripes are buried so far in the clear, I can't even feel them. Now we do have one, looks like probably a stone chip there. It's been touched up. Other than that, the paint on the car is phenomenal. Now the lines are all nice and straight. Everything matches up great. All the chrome looks like it's brand new. The grille looks like it's brand new. Wheel lip moldings look good. Those red line tires really set it off. I love the torque thrust wheels also. Now the 454 badges, there is a 427 under the hood. The suffix tells us that, and it is a 512 block, and everybody knows that is the block you want in a Chevelle, that 512 on the casting number. Look at these door jambs here, beautiful. Looks like the latches got taken out when they did the restoration. Brand new rubber, door panels are beautiful, armrest looks good, carpeting looks like it's new. All the vinyl seats look great. Center console's in good shape. We got the staple shifter in there. Back seat looks awesome. We do have seat belts back there. Headliner's in great shape. It's still even got the shoulder belts up there in the headliner. Just beautiful inside. This black interior, man. I think there's one color for a muscle car for the interior, and that's black. Look at that dash. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Just a very, very neat car. We'll grab these keys here and check out the trunk. Again, paint as slick as can be, and the metallic is laid on there. I tell you what, the guy that squirted this car knew exactly what he was doing. He did a beautiful job. Look at that trunk. Looks brand spanking new. Wheel wells are nice and tight. Trunk floor looks good. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. All the paintwork in the gutter system here around the deck lid opening looks great. The rubber has been replaced. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. You can see it's got a brand new trunk latch in it too. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. Look down the side of this car. That baby is straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we buy about 40 new cars every month. We've got about 240 in stock. And we own all of our inventory. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. Now, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars we buy here at Vanguard, and what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years messing around with muscle cars, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, we're in this 71 now. It is nasty outside today, so we're not taking this beauty out on the road today, but I tell you, listen to that. Look at the flappers even working there. Love that, man. Now she's got an aftermarket stereo in it. We got oil pressure right down here. Got 40 pounds. The blower's blowing. The windshield wipers are wiping. The horn's also blowing. The gauges are all working. The lights will all work. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this Chevelle anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this baby to your driveway. Now, if you need help with financing, we've got you handled there too. We've got 2 bankers we work with, 15-minute phone call. This dream's in your driveway. If you want to come visit, please just give us a call. We'd love to show you the car. We're here on Saturdays. If you want to drive out, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. If you want to fly out, so give us a call. Now, we're going to put this thing up in the air so you can check out how nice the bottom side is. Then we're going to take a look at that 427 under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 71 Chevelle now, and as you can see, it's pretty under here. It's got a brand new tank, it's got brand new exhaust, beautiful welds on the exhaust, man. The drop downs look good, the trunk floor looks good, the bushings look good. We got right around a 331 gear in here, and it is a Posi. The lower control arms are reinforced. The bushings up in the top are in decent shape. The floorboards are in good shape. The frame looks good. The pinch weld looks good. The backside of the rockers look awesome. Looks like it's got a new drive shaft, still got the sticker on it. U-joints are in good shape. Flowmaster mufflers. Looks like it's got a brand new brake line going front to back. We got a turbo 400 trans here. Great looking headers. I always check the low areas in the frame. Again, this is a spot you want to look at on every car if you're looking at buying one of these things. Cross members in great shape. All the paint work up here looks new. I see new ball joints, top and bottom. Looks like new flex lines going to the disc brakes, and the rotors look like they're new too. New bushings here on the sway bar, and a lot of the steering gear here looks new too. Now on the rear brakes, the guys will pull those all apart and make sure they're in good working order. This bumper looks like it's brand new. It's nice and clean on the backside. And I always take a quick look at the core support. That tells the story too, because a lot of times those things filled up with crap and would rot out. So that'll tell the story of the car right there. Always look at the front frame horns too. Make sure they look like they're nice and straight, so the car, you know, you can tell whether or not it's been in an accident or not. Overall, the bottom side of this car is beautiful. I would show this baby off. I'd get some mirrors and put under this car. Let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, we got American Racing torque thrust. We got red lines here. Looks like the size is on the other side. Let's see if I can find it here. We got two 65 15s. And another thing that you always want to look at on these cars is, if you can, this one's a little tight. I can't get my finger up in there, but I can see that bottom edge is nice and clean. So that's definitely good quality metal there. And look at that pinch weld. Look how nice and clean it is. And the paint on the rocker right down to the bottom edge is beautiful. Let's look at the rear. All right, back here we got two 3570s, so a little more wheel back here and tire. The wheels look like they're brand new again, and look at that wheel well. Painted the same as a car, just beautiful. That lip molding looks good. Right down to the bottom edge of this quarter, she is beautiful. Now let's check under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 427. The suffix tells us that it is a 512 block, which is very cool. That's what everybody's looking for in a 427 and or a 454. But this one, the suffix tells us it's a 427. It's got a 750 Holley on it. It looks like it's got mechanical secondaries. It's a dual feed, and it also looks like it's got squirters on both ends too, so it's a double pumper. We got MSD ignition box firing up that MSD distributor. Got a chrome closeout here on the top of the radiator. Got a brand new Delco battery in it. Good looking headers. I see some brand new shims down here in the crossbars and the upper control arms, so it looks like it's had a fresh alignment on it. The inner wheel houses are nicely painted. It does have power steering. It does have power brakes. Looks like a Edelbrock aluminum intake on it. The car's amazing, guys. She's got a beautiful paint job. She's got a 427. She's a Chevelle. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.